So your gift is to ravish what is. And what is her energy in the moment, whatever it is. Okay? Now, of course, you can ravish from your body. We all know that one, right? Just, you know, we can ravish from our bodies, right? So, I mean, that's primal. It's very primal. So primal ravishment is just pretty much body, right? Brain and body inspired. Normally, that's the realm of having babies and getting off, right? You can ravish her heart. You could ravish her heart, right? From your heart, right? So you could ravish with your body. You could ravish with your heart. And when I say the heart, I'm talking about the entire range of emotion. There might be anger. You could ravish with anger and love mixed together, right? Anybody had really hot, angry sex? Right? It can happen. If there's heart involved, it's quite beautiful. Or you could ravish from consciousness, which is the deepest part of you that maybe you touched when you were looking into another man's eyes, is ravishing everything that's happening in her. Her heart, her body, her essence.